So welcome to the new edition of our class. Today we can discuss on the fourth stage of economic growth as explained by Rostow, and it is the drive to maturity level. So the fourth stage is the drive to maturity level as introduced by W. Rostow. So far we have discussed on the first stage, which is the traditional stage, is based on agricultural and the subsistence economy based on feudal system, and the second stage is the transformation change towards takeoff. It is a period of confusions, and the people think more and have their own logic of against the feudal system. They become united as a nation states, and a new form of reactive nationalism arise. This is the second stage that we have already discussed, and the third stage is the third stage of takeoff, in which there happens many breakthroughs or industrial revolution happens, and that makes things more modernized, and the people rely on more on scientific methods and introduction of new innovations, or think about new innovations. And this is the period of takeoff, which happens for short period of time as explained by Rostow. So these are the conditions for the takeoff period, in which the second stage of leading sectors of introduction of different kinds of industrial sectors is very important one as explained by Rostow. He says that this leading sectors is the backbone of the whole system of that particular period of takeoff, and he calls this as the analytical bone structure of the whole system. So the fourth stage that we are going to discuss today is the drive to maturity, and Rostow defines this as a period of a society which utilize its resources effectively with the help of modern innovative technology. So the key points here is the efficiency and maximum utilization of resources, optimum utilization of the resources with the help of new inventions. So that is the period of drive to maturity as explained by Rostow, and these are the important characteristics of Rostow's method. So he says that it is a period sustained for long time. Whenever there is a long-term development or the growth sustained for long period of time, at least for 4 decades, then only that particular age can be called as a matured stage, or they will in that particular age or in that particular stage the old systems of techniques has been replaced by new innovative techniques which can produce more number of items in very efficient manner, and that all these create new leading sectors, and this makes entrepreneurs encouraged to make new investments, and this makes the manufacturing sector so expanded and developed, and there happens a shift from that manufacturing sectors to the tertiary sector, which increases the facilities and infrastructures, and all sort of will be increasing. That is the tertiary sector. There will be this particular stage as explained by Rostow will experience a shift from that particular secondary sectors towards the tertiary sectors. The people will be engaged more on the tertiary. Overall, there is a good well established society which can sustain or withstand even any unexpected shocks. As we all know, we are in a pandemic condition, or we are experiencing the particular in which the economy is almost stagnant. We can't go to works, or we experience more number of unemployment. This is a shock. A pandemic situation is not an expected one, but we can't sustain this for a long period of time. Why? Because we are not having the ability or resources already saved for our future. So that is the condition where the economy is, but whenever the if the economy is matured, it can sustain any kind of inflations or anything that is unexpected for some extent. That is the most important characteristics of this particular stage of economic growth. And overall, this shows a characteristics of technological maturity. This maturity age or maturity stage shows a technological maturity in all aspects. So these are the their maturity age, maturity years, as mentioned by Rostow in his theory. 1850, Great Britain acquired its 1950s, Russia, United States, Germany, Canada attains their dry stage. So there happened some significant change in that particular matured society. So what are they? So these are the that has given here. There have some sort of changes in workforce. There will have some sort of entrepreneurship changes. The characters of the entrepreneur has been changed for some reasons or in some another manner. And there is a shift for further innovations also. These are the 4 changes that occur significantly in that particular society which is matured. So first one is the change in the characters of the workforce. That most of the workforce here is will be skilled. There will be skilled workforce because already the industry has been established well, so they prefer more number of workforce who are skilled or specialized in some kinds of activities and with some kinds of equipment. So these people have their own interest. They wanted to be protected or they wanted their own security, so they will make their own organizations and they demand for rise in the wages and they prefer to live nearby their industry. So these are some kinds of changes in the workforce as preceding unlike the preceding stage of Rostow's economic growth. So there happen some changes in the workforce, and the second one is change happens even in the entrepreneurship characters also. So beforehand the particular entrepreneur itself is involving in that particular work. Hardworking masters will be there, but now they have been developed or they have changed as an efficient managers who makes other workforce to be well equipped with their works, and they will give new ideas for further improvement, and they will become efficient managers as a rugged hardworking masters as before. So the third stage is already the society met with various kinds of innovations and industrial revolution, and they are fed up with all this. Not fed up, they are they lose all their interest or interest in the miracles of urbanizations. So at this period of time, as a human character of curiosity arises, and they think of new methods or new innovations. What is next? They think of further innovations also. So these are the important factors in the stage or in this stage of maturity. So what is the next stage? So the next stage is the stage of high mass consumption, which can be explained in the next video. So if you missed the first, second and third videos, then you can have the link in the description box as well as in the comment box. You can go through that videos and have detailed knowledge of the what stage, second stage and third stage of process. So in the next class we can discuss on what is the final stage of Rostow's economic growth, the age of consumption. Thanks a lot.